Today's lesson's on factoring, and we're going to focus just on finding the GCF. So let's tree 4 to 2 and 2. So we have 2, 2. X cubed is XXX. 2 is prime. 2, XX, and 2X. So what do we have that's the same at all 3 rows? We have a 2X. So my GCF is 2X. What's left in that top row? We have a 2 and then XX. XX is X squared. Let's bring down our plus. What's left in line 2? We have an X. Bring down our plus. What's left in line 3? Nothing. So we got to remember that we really have a 1 times something out front. So we're going to say if there's nothing left, we got a plus 1. To make sure we got it correct, we could distribute this 2x. 2x times 2x squared is 4x cubed. 2x times x is 2x squared. And 2x times 1 is 2x. Let's look at the next problem. So the first thing we need to do is to tree 15. That's 3 times 5, and 3 and 5 are both prime. So we have 3, 5, and an A. 12, let's tree 12 to 2 and 6. 2 is prime, but 6 is not. 6 is 2 and 3. So we have a 2, and a 3. Make sure we line the 3s up with the 3s and not put a 2 underneath it. And we would like to go in order from smallest to biggest. 6, that's 2 and 3. So I'm going to put the 2 underneath the 2 and the 3 underneath the 3. See, what do we have that's the same in all 3 rows? We have a 3. So my GCF is 3. What's left? 5A. Bring down my plus. 2. We have 2 2's left, so we're going to multiply them. 2 times 2 is 4. 4B. Bring down my plus, and we have 2C left. Let's distribute the 3 to make sure we've done this correctly. 3 times 5A is 15A. 3 times 4B is 12B. And 3 times 2C is 6C. Okay. Let's look at the next problem. We want to tree 8 and 18. 4 is not prime, so we need to tree that further. 2 times 9. 9 is not prime, so we break that down to 3 and 3. So we have 8 is 3 2's, and XX. How do we know that's right? We can multiply 2 times 2 times 2, and we should get what we started with is 8. 18, I have 2, and then 2 3's, and 2 Y's. We might want to multiply 2 times 3 times 3 to make sure that really is 18. What's the same in both? We have a 2, so my GCF is 2. Multiply my 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared. Bring down my minus. 3 times 3 is 9. Y times y is y squared. And distribute the 2 to make sure we got it correct. Now we need to tree 64, 56, and 88. 32 is not prime, so we need to factor it more. So all we want is prime numbers, and if it's not prime, we're going to keep factoring it till it is. Hey, 64, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. And then we had C cubed, which is 3 C's. 56, I got 3 2's and a 7. And C squared, 2 C's. 88, 3 2's. And an 11 and 1 C. So what do we have in common in all 3? We have 3 2's and a C. So what do we need to do with that 3 2's? We can do 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 8. So my GCF is 8. And then don't forget about our C. What's left? 2 times 2 times 2. 8C squared. Is that correct? Well, we could do 8C times 8C squared, and we get 64C cubed. Bring my minus down. We have 7C. 8C times 7C is 56C squared, so we got that right. Plus 11. What's 8C times 11? 88C. Let's tree 18. So I have 2, 3, 3. A cubed is AAA. And then 2 B's. 36. So I have 2 2's, 2 3's, A cubed, B to the 4th. 9. So we have 2 3's, 1 A, 4 B's. What's the same in all 3 rows? I have a 3 in all 3's, another 3. I have 1 A, and I have 2 B's. So 3 times 3 is 9. I had an A, and I had 2 B's, so that's B squared. What's left in the first line? 2. AA is A squared. No B is left. Bring down my plus sign. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 A's, that's A squared. 2 B's, that's B squared. Bring down my plus. There's no number left, so that could be 1. And I have 2 B's, B squared. Distribute my 9A B squared to see if I have my correct answer. Just some problems for you to try.